I'm trying to cook dinner, and Lyndon's rolling his back out because he heard it from blowing up the balloon.
No, it was hurting before.
Sure.
Yes.
You're in my way. Okay, take care of yourself.
How do I do this? Just a little bit of the boat life. Can't let it stop you.
Uh-oh, he's dead. Death by ballooning. That doesn't sound like it's a good expression.
How are we supposed to...
I'll do it.
Let me try it again.
Wait. Maybe if I go like this, like you do a straw. You know what I'm doing? Oh, look, look, look!
No. No.
What do you mean, no? I figured it out. It's my birthday tomorrow, and Lyndon's is in 12 days after mine.
When's my birthday?
Lyndon's is at the end of the month, mine is tomorrow, and my mom sent me and him a birthday parcel, and it's super cute. And she sent us balloons, party glasses, you should put those on. I also got a pair, super cute. Presents, oh that's my sewing. Little treats. I'm excited. I'm not looking at it till tomorrow. I think I know what that is. Little candies. Lyndon loves these. I'm really excited to try these ones. Goji and raspberry flavor. Yum. Oh, and these.
I did
it! Glow. What?
Whew, you missed it, bud. I almost passed out there. My back hurts.
Lyndon thinks that these remind him of the glasses I used to wear when I was younger. He's not that far off.
So today is Tiff's birthday. She's working out right now, and I thought I would take this time, because we don't really get any time apart these days, but I thought I would make her some breakfast, because breakfast is Tiffany's most favorite thing, and it is my least favorite thing, so we often argue about it, which is stupid. But I'm gonna sort of surprise her, make her an omelet, and spend the day trying to make her feel as special as possible. So she's the best and she deserves it. Anyways, I hope this goes well. And of course, I can't forget about the most important part. I have no idea how much you put in.
Something smells amazing in here. You were so cute!
High five.
That was fun.
Minis. My favorite car. And he's got 2 of them. And I don't even have any. Seeing those minis really makes me miss my Mini.
No stalls.
Pardon?
No stalls.
No stall. One day I'll have another one.
Yeah. Yesterday we went to the trampoline park and we were so tired last night and I slept so bad because I'm so sore. Like, these muscles hurt so much from hanging on the hoop. Oh, it hurts so much. I'm so sore. But like, it's mostly my upper body. And then I move and it's like, oh yeah, that's sore.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, there's a muscle.
What's that muscle?
I know. My knee.
Oh, it's a trampoline muscle.
A trampoline muscle. Where are you most sore?
My back is sore.
Yeah. It was so fun though. Worth it.
Yeah.
Lyndon cut my hair.
Yeah, it's all me except for the bangs. Tiff wouldn't let me touch those. And what happened? You chunked some out.
I was trying something different, you know? And just started getting away on me.
Yeah. I did a good job.
I think it's okay.
I cut my finger with the scissors.
Yep, war wounds.
It has been really stormy the last couple days. Last night we had a pretty sleepless night for being in the marina. And yeah, we hope this weather improves soon, but I think it's supposed to be quite windy and rainy the next couple days. So this is wintering in the Pacific Northwest. Here is the forecast for the next couple days. We are right in here on Vancouver Island. And we click on Monday. Tomorrow, not too bad. In the evening we get some swirling action. Ooh. Crazy. Tuesday, good. Wednesday, another hurricane-like thing.
How fast are the winds? Are the winds supposed to
I think it's like, it's a knot, so like 40, 50 knots.
What?
And then Friday, another storm coming in.
That's crazy.
That one pretty strong too. Oh no, where did it go?
I think it went in the garbage. Nice. Oh my goodness. You did it. Tell me how you feel.
I feel like crossing the Pacific Ocean is no big deal. If I can do this.
Your life's work right there. Should we frame it?
Oh, that was really awesome.
Life or death, right? Maybe I'm just not meant to do this. Maybe I have other skills. Wash my dinner. Thanks for watching. Head on over to our Patreon page if you want to find out some more about Lyndon and me and how you can support us on this adventure if you'd like.